Hello, hello. Welcome to my class. Okay, today is Thursday, 22nd October 2020. Topic Jingle Christmas Adventure. Performance read pages 22 and 23. And Pedagogical Word Unit 102. Okay, we start. Okay, remember that Jingles meet with Charlie, and Charlie invite him to his house. Okay, continue. Charlie's house is very small and very old. It's small, yes, and old. No, it's new. It's the opposite of new. Es pequeña y vieja. But it's warm, and Charlie's family is very kind. Charlie's mother gives Jingles some bread, look the bread, and cheese, look the cheese, and some warm milk. Okay, and the family, the father and the father and mother are friendly with Charlie and give him bread, cheese, and milk. Okay, continue. Do you understand? Yes. But, okay, que los papás, su casita era pequeña y viejita, pero la familia de Charlie es muy cálida. Entonces, le dan a él, le dan pan, queso y leche. Y entonces él le pregunta, So, where do you live with Jingle? Le está preguntando, ¿dónde vive? Where do you live, Jingle? Okay, and then Jingles tell Charles about Santa's workshop. He answered that he the workshop in the workshop and tell about Charlie. Le contesta que en the Santa's workshop y le habla sobre eso. Jingles tells Charlie about Santa's workshop. Do you know Santa? Wow! But why did you leave? Obviamente le dice, wow, ¿conoces a Santa? Y le pregunta, why, el por qué did you leave. Mira, recuerda que habíamos hecho un cuadrito con question word. Where. Espero que me respondan un lugar. Y si yo digo why, aquí, why, espero que me respondan un por qué. ¿Sí? Ok. What do you live? It is a very long story. It's very long. No, it's short. It's long story. Oh, Charlie, can I ask you a question? What do you want for Christmas? Okay. Él le dice, no, es una larga historia. Y le hace, oh, Charlie. And le dice, can I ask you a question? Can I? Esta es otra forma de preguntar. ¿Puedo yo preguntarle? Can I ask? Recuerdan que hemos visto el verbo can. ¿Puedo yo preguntarle una pregunta? Hacerle una interrogación, un cuestionario. Can I ask you a question? What do you want for Christmas? What do you want for Christmas? Entonces, what es otra question word. What do you want? ¿Qué desea usted for Christmas? Entonces, mira que aquí tenemos varios question words. Where, ¿dónde? Why, ¿por qué? What, ¿qué? ¿Sí? Y todas empiezan por W question. Por eso se llaman W question, porque empiezan con W. Okay? And we continue with the story. Okay, this story be continued. Okay, this is the activity for today. Only read the pages 22 and 23. The Friday we continue with 24 and 25. Bye, my students. See you.